All right, momentum versus speed. So we have talked about speed. We talked about movement. Now, momentum is going to be a little bit different. Now, I know that on in your notebook I put the wrong notes. That those notes are supposed to be for when we get to Newton's laws and when we talk about that. So that's a review. But this is our initial, and I have posted your notes with it. So, momentum versus speed. Speed is a measurement of how fast an object is going. So remember, speed is distance divided by time. So meters per second, kilometers per hour, miles per hour, things like that. Mass of an object gives it much more force than as the mass increases, the momentum of the object increases the momentum of the object which travels. So think about in a frictionless world. So friction is what we'll talk about next unit, but friction is how we know everything stops, how we're able to walk, different things like that. Mass is something that is going against friction that will help increase the momentum. So think about an 18-wheeler. 18-wheeler weighs way much more than a bicycle or a motorcycle. It's going to take a motorcycle way less time to slow it down from 80 miles an hour to 60 miles an hour than what an 18-wheeler that is completely full is going to take, because it has to work with that. So momentum is, of course, a speed and mass combination. So this calculates the force at which an object moves. The heavier it is moving at a slower speed may be more than a smaller object moving at a fast speed. So momentum is just speed times mass. So momentum is measured as P times M, or M times V. So in your triangle, P would be on top and M and V would be on the bottom. That's how we would work with this with the triangle. Now, determine the following momentum speed based on this, if it is momentum or speed. So a car is driving 65 miles per hour. So that's just calculating speed. It doesn't give us a mass, so we don't know for sure. Hitting a punching bag with a force of 500 times 500 kilograms at kilometers per hour. So that means that we have both a mass and a weight that creates our force, so our momentum. Running into a wall at a weight of 76 kilograms at a speed of 12 kilometers per hour. So you're combining those together. Momentum is a combination of speed and weight. And the wind gusting at 45 kilometers per hour is just a speed. So a truck has a mass of 2,000 kilograms and is moving at a speed of 48 kilometers per hour. What is the momentum of the truck? So we take our 2,000. Remember, it is just a multiplication because we're looking for momentum. 2,000 kilograms times 48, and that gives us a momentum of 96,000 kilograms at kilometers per hour. So that's the force that basically is coming with it. Lindsay is driving a car illegally down the wrong side of the road at 60 kilometers. The momentum is 12,000 kilograms. What is the mass of the car she is driving? So it's not going to be very big because your hint's it's a clown car. So we take remember we do our triangle. She is driving at 60 kilometers per hour. So that will go on the bottom of your triangle. We're looking for the mass, which is also on the bottom of your triangle. So we're taking our 12,000 kilograms at kilometers per hour, dividing it by 60 kilometers per hour, and it gives us a mass of 200 kilograms. So not a very small car, but moving at a pretty good speed. Olivia is riding a wagon pulled by a horse that weighs 450 kilograms. The wagon weighs, the horse weighs 450 kilograms. The wagon weighs 750. The combination of the waves, the momentum, is this. So what is the speed that they're moving at? So we take our momentum, put it on top, 14,400 kilograms at kilometers per hour, divided by, we have to combine the two together. So we're taking 450 plus 750, so that'll be 1,200 kilograms. We divide, and they are moving at 12 kilometers per hour. Not very fast, but that's what we get. Remember, it's just taking and dividing. It's the same thing that we've done with the other triangle methods. Remember, if you do not like the triangle methods, that's why on your assignment you have givens and unknowns. That is the other way of doing this assignment. So fence post method is allowed. Any kind of method as long as you're showing me how you get this work. All right. If you have any questions, please ask. And that is all for today.